I met with Adey last year, I believe, and prior to that, I was actually out of a role. To be totally transparent, I was working at the Amazon warehouse jobs, and as I was, working, of course, that's not what I wanted to do. I wanted to transition into project management, and spoke with Adey. We had a very lengthy phone call about what I wanted to do in terms of careers and so on. And of course, he mentioned the training and the fact that I should just start practicing a little bit. So I had a brief understanding of project management prior to that, but not to the extent of way Adit breaks it down within the training, and really goes through the different terminology about the project life cycles, the project delivery, scope requirements, and all the different methodologies really that you have to have between when starting a project. And it was a good, very interactive training sessions with different people, which allowed me to really understand the different phases within a project life cycle, the different type of stakeholders that you may encounter, and so on. I think the training was, if I'm not mistaken, 1 month or 2 months, I can't remember now, but last year. But just after the training, started applying, and I got one job. Actually, I got two job offers. The first one was for a part-time role, actually, and I'd done that for like literally a month, which was good. It seemed like a warm-up role, right? And the second one was a contract, which I'm currently still doing now, delivering software. So I'm in tech at the moment, sports tech. So the type of projects that I'm delivering now are software-based projects with an entertainment and media customer that has got clients in different parts of the world. So they've got clients in the US, in the Australia, Africa, and so on. And I guess the beauty of it in my day-to-day all goes back to those principles that they have taught me within the training, right? So the different phases, the planning phase, BAU phase, delivery, implementation, testing, working with different stakeholders, technical stakeholders from senior engineering leads, CFOs, product managers, business analysts, developers, and so on. And making sure we are delivering to scope, make sure the requirements are set up, make sure there are conversations to be had between different departments. And I'm in the mix of all of it, make it, pulling the strings where I can. So yeah, it's been great. And I think apart from that is actually the support that Austratech gives. So you're not alone. It's not like they train you and they let you go. No, me and others speak quite frequently. So every 2, 3 months or even less, I get a chance to speak to Adey on the phone and let him know about any potential challenges I may could be going through as well. And also within the WhatsApp group and so on. So it's been great.
Yeah, thanks, Kelvin. So in terms of your experience in the process, you had support from other people in the team, people like who and who?
It was Bobo to begin with. I don't know if he was on the call.
I
and
think
Kemi.
yeah.
Yeah, and Kemi. So they
Good.
the interview process specifically, and of course the help, because on the road that some of the interviews requested like a presentation, right? That's not the case, but it happened for me, and it was Bobo that walked me through the presentation and how to set up specific slides and so on. So the support was immense. And as well as the CV support from yourself, Adey. You sat down on the phone for a very long time, I remember clearly, and go through line by line on each.